as a farmer, you can intentionally slow the growth of this hot pepper while it's in the nursery bed. You just don't spray them with water and don't give them any fertilizers. They don't get any effect while they are there in the bed.
Okumulisa obanga abo watunyonyi. Okay.
So you see, these two, they all came from the same bed. So what he's been doing, because his place is small, he transplanted some, and then later on, after the first transplant has grown, he brought the other new seedlings from the bed, from that same bed, so that they all don't grow at the same time. So that while this one is getting big, the other one is still small in size. That is how he has managed to plant a number of crops in a small piece of land.